Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your fridge or refrigerator with Ajax and Dettol wipe. So let's start guys. So I'm going to open my fridge, and what I did, I removed all the trays from the fridge, and I'm going to spray with the Ajax. So this is Ajax guys, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray in the fridge. This is very good and it removes all the stains, the black things from your fridge. So after spraying the Ajax guys, immediately you should not supposed to clean. You have to keep it like this for 5 minutes. Then only it will remove all the stains and everything. So we have to wait for 5 minutes. And I'm going to spray it in the side of my fridge. So this is the full cleaning of my fridge. And I have to wait for another 5 minutes for this. And I'm going to clean this one guys. I'm using this one first. My fridge is making sound. I'm cleaning the side of the fridge guys. Actually I'm using my mobile phone because I want to use my camera, but the battery died, so I'm using my mobile. And now I'm using the Dettol wipe. So the three things you have to use. The first thing, the spray, that is the Ajax. The second thing, you have to clean with the wipe. The third thing, you have to clean with the cloth. Any clean cloth. So yeah, so these three things are the must to clean the fridge. So my fridge is clean guys. I want to finish this one before my kids they came from the school. So I finished the cleaning of my fridge, and can you see it's very neat. And it's time to clean, and I'm spreading the white sheet in the fridge, and it is very easy guys, and you can change this sheet once in a week or that is up to you. So I'm putting this cover. If you have a different color, you can use that one also, but I'm using the white one. So this is my calendar sheet. I have this one. So this is done, guys, and it's time to keep the things in the fridge. So I'm keeping the tomatoes here. And here I am keeping my milk and all the glass things. So everything here. And here I'm going to keep the bread, the dip and everything. So here I kept the bread items. So the bun, the bread, the cheese, the spread and everything. So it's very easy. And here I'm keeping all my boxes. Like so in this box I stored the ginger, the chili. So this is actually the toffee box, so I didn't throw it, and I'm using for these things, for these little things. So yeah, so I kept all the things in my fridge. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add a piece of lime into this corner of the fridge. It gives the nice fragrance in the fridge, and you won't get any smell of the veggies or anything. So yeah, so and I kept some of the tomatoes here because we won't eat egg, we are vegetarians. So I thought I can kept some of the tomatoes here, and it's very easy to take from. Yeah, so this is the quick video of how to clean your fridge with 3 steps. The first thing is the Ajax, the second thing is wipe, and the third thing is the cloth, the clean cloth. Yeah, so see you soon in my another video, guys, and please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell. So yeah, many people, they are saying that they are not getting my videos, so you have to hit the notification bell. See you soon. Bye, and please subscribe. Bye. Bye.